What is going on, YouTube? Hope everyone is having an awesome day. So today's video will probably be a little shorter than usual, but I went and I've been working out of town here lately, and I decided to go and check something on my truck while I was here. So right up the road here from where I'm working, there is a CAT scale. So I went and weighed my truck. So I'm going to share with you guys today how much a Ram 2500 weighs roughly, and go over all that with you. So let's get started. Okay, so right there you can see that it says the front steer axle weighs 5,200 and the rear weighs 3,500, being a total of 8,700 pounds. As you can see, I went and I did some drawings over here, and I was stopped here and I on the way back from dinner with a couple buddies, so they were in the truck with me. So there was 3 of us in the truck, and our weights are 560 apiece. So I subtracted our weights from a total weight and gets me 2115, which again, trucks weights will differ because whatever you guys carry in your truck on a daily basis versus other people. Some people might not carry anything, some people might carry a ton of stuff. So my truck weighs 8,200 pounds. My guess was, I looked it up a long time ago, but I couldn't remember. I was going to guess 7,800 pounds, but I was close. So it's 8,200. And then one of the other guys, he had guessed 87 or 8,800, which with us in it, that is right. So yeah. And then just something I didn't realize, that when they go and you go on these scales, they want your truck number and all that stuff before they weigh you and all that stuff. And then you have to go, they weigh, you have to press the button, they holler at you, you weigh yourself, and then you go inside, you pay for it. And as you can see right there is a $12 fee to weigh the truck. But I had a quick little funny story about weighing it. So I went, and of course my truck number, the guys, she said truck number, and I was like, what? Because I'd never done it before. I looked at the guys sitting here beside me, they just said, just say 2,500 because it's a 2,500 truck. So I said that, and she went okay, and she weighed me, and then I went inside to get it. And it was a younger girl, and then a manager was kind of standing in the background. And I said, I just weighed my truck, needed to get my ticket. And she said, what was your truck number? I said 2,500. And she kind of looked at me funny, and then she walked over to get it, and the manager looked at me and said, I had to tell her it was a pickup truck. So it was funny because of course that's probably not a normal truck number. So it was funny because she was so confused, like, what the heck kind of number is this? So, and yeah, and then it was funny because then she went and she said, well, what about your trailer number? And then I looked at the manager and looked back at her, and she went, oh my gosh, she went, I'll just put 1. She was like, it was so funny because she was caught off guard for it. She's used to weighing trucks, and this is just a pickup truck. So it was funny, but they understood. Just wanted to get the weight of my truck and stuff, but it was funny. Then she looked at me and she said, what company? And then at that point I started laughing pretty good. She went, I'll just put personal. So it was funny to listen to her, and the manager was getting a kick out of it too. I'm sure they'd never weighed a pickup before or something, but it was funny. But just had to share that little story with you guys. So yeah, if you're wondering about roughly how much your truck weighs, I'd say it weighs anywhere between 8,000 to 8,500, depending on what you carry in your truck, or if your truck's just perfectly bone stock, whatever, with nothing, you don't carry anything in it. So yes, I'd say your trucks weigh between 8 and 8,500, but mine weighed 8,215 roughly, not counting the passengers. With the passengers it was 8,780. So just thought I'd bring a short, quick little video today. So I got rained out from work, but just figured I'd share this video with everyone if they want to know, get an idea how much your Ram 2500 Cummins diesel weighs. So got a little rough estimate there for everyone, but hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you haven't been here before, get down there and click subscribe, that way you don't miss on any future content coming to the channel. And then yeah, so I guess I'll catch everyone in the next one. Everyone have a blessed, awesome day.